first graders. This week for math, we are going to be working on comparing. We're going to be using three different symbols to compare: our greater than, less than, and equal to symbol to show how the numbers relate to each other. So, the way that we can do that is by using our symbols. So I'm going to show you here on your screen our little alligator mouth. He's so fun. So we think of our symbol as an alligator mouth. When the symbol is open, it's going towards the number that is bigger. It wants to eat the bigger number. So we think that that alligator is super hungry. He wants to crunch that super big number. So when that number is facing the larger number, that's the greater number. Okay? So that's going to help us determine which number is bigger. The number 9 is bigger in this case, so our alligator is eating that number 9. All right? Let's take a look at another one. If I were to show you these cookies on your screen, and I know my pictures there a little bit out of the way, but if I were to show you these numbers and these cookies, we have 1 cookie, we have 4 cookies. Which one is more or bigger or greater? Think about it. Now we want to eat that bigger number, right? So put your hand over there to the one that's bigger. Is it going to be like this? Or is it going to be like this? Which one are you going to eat? Would you rather 1 cookie or 4 cookies? If you decided that you were going to do this symbol, the bigger number is 4. You are right. Great job. Let's try one more. What if Mrs. Tinsley showed you this? And we have 18 and 18. These numbers are the same. Are we going to put our symbols like this? No. We're going to do our equal to symbol. Our equal to symbol looks like this, right here up in the top. And if we were to put that here, we want to make sure that those numbers that we're putting the equal to symbol are the exact same. So let me put that in the box there. Those are going to be, whenever two numbers are the exact same, we will put that equal to symbol like this. So 18 is equal to 18. 5 is equal to 5, and so on. Okay? So we have greater than, less than, and equal to that we will be working on this week. So when you guys come to class, we will have lots of different activities like this where we get to put in our greater than, less than, and equal to symbols. So practice at home. Get your mouth ready. Get your alligator mouth ready. And when you see a bigger number, that's the one you're going to chomp, and that's the greater number. All right, you guys, I hope that you have a wonderful day, and we hope to see you in class this week.